Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial I'll show you how to clear cache on your Mac to help free up space and improve performance. First, open Finder and click on Go in the menu bar at the top of the screen. Then, hold down the Option key and select Library from the drop-down menu. In the Library folder, scroll down and open the Caches folder. Inside, you'll see a list of folders used by different apps. Now, you can select and delete the contents of these folders. Just make sure you don't delete the folders themselves. This will clear the temporary cache files, which are safe to remove and often take up a lot of unnecessary space. Once you're done, empty your trash to completely remove the files from your system, and that's it. You've successfully cleared your Mac's cache. It's a great way to clean up your system and keep it running smoothly. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Mac tips. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.